Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gorgias for Helpdesk automation with Shopify step by step clearly. To activate Gorgias for Helpdesk automation with Shopify, start by visiting the Gorgias website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once your account is created, log into your Gorgias dashboard. Navigate to the Integrations section located in the sidebar menu. Search for the Shopify integration within the list of applications. Click on the Shopify icon to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. This URL can be found in your Shopify admin panel. After entering the URL, click the Connect button. Gorgias will then request permission to access your Shopify store. Review the permissions and click Install App to grant access. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Next, set up your Helpdesk automation rules in Gorgias. Navigate to the Rules section from the sidebar menu. Click on Create Rule to set up a new automation rule. Choose the trigger conditions for your rule based on customer interactions. Specify the actions that will occur when these triggers are met. These actions can include assigning tickets or sending automated responses. Save your new rule to activate it. Repeat this process to create additional rules as needed. Once you've set up your automation rules, test them to ensure they work as intended. Monitor customer interactions through the Gorgias dashboard. Adjust your settings and rules based on feedback and performance. You are now ready to use Gorgias for Helpdesk automation with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.